Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium IDE extension in Chrome, updated. Open Chrome and install the Selenium IDE extension from the web store, then pin it to your toolbar. Create a new project, name it, and choose a base URL for recording. Start a recording session by clicking Record, perform actions in the browser, and stop recording to save your test case for later playback and editing. Start recording a test by clicking Record and performing the exact browser steps you want automated. As you navigate, Selenium IDE captures clicks, inputs, and waits, creating test commands you can edit later. Pause if you need to adjust flows, then stop recording and review the command list. Rename steps for clarity and remove redundant commands so your test stays robust and easier to maintain for future changes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold or hot and fits most cup holders, perfect for long testing marathons at your desk. It has a spill-proof cap and easy carry loop, so you can stay hydrated while debugging tests. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After recording, edit your test by changing command targets, inserting assertions, and adjusting weights to handle dynamic content. Add assertions such as assert text or C element to validate crucial page elements and outcomes. Use the command table to fine-tune selectors and timing values, then run the test to watch playback. Iteratively refine until tests run reliably across runs and environments, which keeps automation useful and trustworthy for regression checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.